Colosseum, Rome. One of the most famous landmarks in the world, the Colosseum is an ancient amphitheatre where gladiators once fought. It is a symbol of Rome's rich history and grandeur. Leaning Tower of Pisa. This iconic bell tower is known for its unintended tilt, making it a must-visit attraction. Visitors often take fun photos, pretending to hold up the tower. Venice canals and gondolas. Venice is a city built on water, with romantic canals and traditional gondola rides offering stunning views of historic buildings and charming bridges. Florence Cathedral is famous for its stunning red-tiled dome designed by Brunelleschi and breathtaking Renaissance architecture. Amalfi Coast, a picturesque coastline with colourful cliffside villages, crystal clear waters and scenic roads. It's a perfect destination for breathtaking views and relaxation. Italy has a rich and vibrant culture influenced by art, history and tradition. It is famous for its delicious cuisine, including pizza, pasta and fine wines. Italy is the birthplace of the Renaissance, with masterpieces from artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. Fashion is also a big part of Italian culture, with Milan being a global fashion hub. Festivals such as the Venice Carnival and traditional opera performances showcase Italy's deep artistic heritage. The Italian way of life values family, social gatherings, and enjoying the beauty of everyday moments. Italy has a long and fascinating history, dating back to the Roman Empire, which was one of the most powerful civilizations in the world. Ancient Rome contributed greatly to law, architecture, and government. During the Middle Ages, Italy saw the rise of city-states like Venice and Florence, which became centers of trade and culture. The Renaissance, which began in Italy, brought incredible advancements in art, science and literature, with figures like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. In 1861, Italy unified as one nation, and today it remains a country rich in historical landmarks and cultural heritage.